you can get more done in 5 to 10 minutes than before with DeepSeek AI prompts. Now, in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use DeepSeek to increase your productivity. So we'll be looking at the signing up, how to set up your account. Then we'll be looking at how to create prompts that will give you effective results. Thereafter, we'll demonstrate with an example of how you can use DeepSeek to achieve results and increase your productivity by 10x. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. So when next I publish my next content, you'll be notified. All right, now to sign up, you can use, now when you come to the pages, charge.deepseek.com, charge.deepseek.com. So when you come to this page, you see this information and this login page and this sign up. Now for signing up, you click on sign up. You input your email address, you input your passwords, you confirm the password, then you click here. Okay, now let's say I want to register at gmail.com. Okay, now password, use a strong password. Okay, now so this is simply what you need to do. You will be sent a verification code. Check your email, then copy the verification code and drop it here. Once you paste it here, you click on confirm and you click on sign up. Then you have signed up. I've already signed up. I'm going to log in now. The next thing is to log in. Now that I've signed up, I'll just input my email address and my password. Then click on this checklist, which is you are consenting to the privacy policy of DeepSeek AI. Okay, now I'll log in. I'm logging in now. Okay, yeah, so that is it. I'm logging in, and here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I am on DeepSeek platform. So this platform will enable me to, I'll be able to use this platform to work. If you are doing any type of work, if you want to do research about what you are going through, for instance, you are learning coding and want to do research about an aspect of the coding, okay, you should be able to do it here. You should come to DeepSeek and ask. In less than 2 minutes, you get your feedback. And DeepSeek is far above, is better in terms of capability and reasoning, better than most of the other AI platforms. Now we have it. The next thing we'll do is, how do you use it to prompt? How do you use it to get output in such a way that the output is better and it does not give you output that is not relevant? Now, in doing that, you need, in order for you to get good prompt, for you to give it good prompt, and for it to give you the expected output, you need to give it context. For instance, I want to write a thread, and this thread is about a product I want to sell, and I want people to know about this product so that I can sell to them in the future. Now, what I will do is, I'll give context to DeepSeek. I'll write in the prompt, okay, I am selling a product, and this product, this is what it does, this is what it does, this is what it does. And now I want to create a thread. I want you to create a thread for me, and this thread should be able to make people to like the product, so that next time I'll be able to sell to them. Make sure, as I explain, make sure you write it that way. And when you write it that way, what will happen is that DeepSeek will give you an output that will amaze you. And this is what we'll be applying. We apply this strategy, and you see how it is done, and you can now implement it. All right, let's get started. Now, I want to write about DeepSeek. Why DeepSeek is a transformative technology or a breakthrough technology, and why people should use it. That's what I want to do. I want DeepSeek to write a thread for me on why DeepSeek is an AI model that is better than other models, and why people should start using it. Now I will give it a prompt. Okay, I am using it. Okay, now I have my prompt. Then I will click on go. You can also review it and make sure that what you want to write is what you write. Okay, I create video content on AI models and products. With DeepSeek AI, I think it is better than most of the models in the industry. Write a thread to be posted on X. Why DeepSeek is better than other AI models and why people should start using this. So I'll click on boom. So I'm waiting for feedback. Excellent, excellent. Now you can see this is thread. Okay, why DeepSeek AI is a game changer in the AI industry. If you are into AI, you probably heard about DeepSeek AI, but let me tell you why it is not just another AI model. It is a standout in the crowded AI. Is why DeepSeek is better than most AI models and why you should start using it. Unmatched accuracy and precision. Okay, lightning fast performance, cost effective and scalable, user friendly and developer centric, ethical and transparent AI, versatility across industry, continuous innovation. Why you should switch to DeepSeek today? If you are still using outdated AI model, you are missing out on the future of AI. DeepSeek combines speed, accuracy, affordability, and ethics into one platform. It is time to update your AI game. Now, this is superb. This is superb. Now, let me also state that you can use these same techniques to achieve any result. Anything you want to write, you want to design, give it context and give you an output that is mind blowing. Yeah, here you have it. That is how to use an a DeepSeek AI to achieve 10x, more 10x to 10x your productivity and achieve more than you previously do. Now, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like and comment what you like about the video. You have any question about DeepSeek, write it in the comment section. Also, share this video with your friends. There's a video here on why I think DeepSeek is an AI model that have changed the entire AI industry. Check it and you find it useful. You find it useful. Also, CoinDollar has a community, and in our community, we help people and empower people to succeed in making money in crypto. Check the comment section for the link to join the community. See you in the community.